our annual day celebration, where we embark on a thrilling adventure into the heart of the jungle. Today, our school transforms into a vibrant jungle teeming with life, energy and excitement. Our students have worked tirelessly to bring this theme to life, and we can't wait to share it with you. Please join me in welcoming our esteemed chief guest Kavita ma'am to inaugurate our annual day celebration. Please. Jungle will encounter roaring lions, swinging monkeys and majestic elephants. Will explore the sights, sounds and wonders of the jungle and discover the importance of preserving our planet's precious ecosystems. Our annual day celebration is a testament to the hard work, dedication and creativity of our students, teachers and staff. It's a day to come together, have a fun and make unforgettable memories. So let's get ready to roar, swing and trumpet our way through an unforgettable jungle adventure. Today, while we take the tour of the jungle, we learn a lot of human characteristics like consistency and smartness. Let us look at some examples that our animals possess and let's come together with the same aim to teach the children. Let's start with our tour in the jungle and see how animals will overcome the fear of lion. Also enjoy emotions of our animals as they portray with dance and music. Thank you and let the jungle magic begin.
The jungle, what do you see? I see an owl too, chasing after me. Walking through the jungle, what do you see? I think it's a hare. Speak, chasing after me. Walking through the jungle, what do you see? I think it's an elephant. Trumpet, chasing after me. Walking through the jungle, what do you see? I see a zebra, chasing after me. into the jungle, into the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? I see a rhino. Chasing after me, chasing after me. Walking through the jungle, walking through the jungle. What do you see? What do you see? I see a deer. Chasing after me, chasing after me.
Oh, you forget me? I am a cheetah.
Once upon a time, the jungle was home to a large ferocious lion. He bullied every other animal because he was strong. Because of the lion, the animals could no longer dwell in harmony. As a result, they convened a conference to discuss how to stop the lion from disturbing them.
We have to get rid of this lion.
Elephant.
I believe we need a leader among us to go to teach him. A leader amongst us. I believe nobody will be resistant lion. Do not be afraid, my friend. I will be take on the lion.
Some of the animals were pleased, while some animals felt that the owl was crazy. They accepted because no one else offered. The word got around that the owl would confront the lion at his den. When the lion learned this news, he bursted out laughing.
What all it is! But this stupid animal think that they can stand with me!
All the animals gathered.
Where is the owl? We shouldn't have trusted him.
Owl is loser. He got us into the top and did not show up. We should not come to a conclusion. We will wait for the owl.
Minutes and hours passed by, but there was no trace for the owl.
I am the king, and nobody can stand with me.
Hey.
Majesty, we are happy with you as our king.
Let's go. Let's go home. It is waste of time to great coward owl. Sorry, Mr. Lion. However, on my way there, I come across a massive lion, and I was scared of him. He said he would eat me up, so I waited for him to fall asleep. The lion? What powerful than me? Take me to the lion right now!
चला मुलांनो आज दावितो राणीचा बागनवा. चला मुलांनो आज दावितो राणीचा बागनवा. राणीचा बागनवा, राणीचा बागनवा. तुम्ही ऐकता पशुपक्ष्यांचे देह मी ओरडणे. आज मुलांनो ऐका त्यांचे खरे खुरे गाणे. माझ्या संगे तुम्ही तयांना दोस्त आपले बनवा. माझ्या संगे तुम्ही तयांना दोस्त आपले बनवा, आपले बनवा. हा चला मुलांनो आज दावितो राणीचा बागनवा. चला मुलांनो आज दावितो राणीचा बागनवा. आता तिथे आहे पोपट. हिरवा माझा रंग चोच असते लालट. मी आहे पोपट, हो मी आहे पोपट. मी आहे पोपट, हो मी आहे पोपट. पिवळी पिवळी डाळ आवडते फार. हा हा पिवळी पिवळी डाळ आवडते फार. हिरवा हिरवा पेरू लागतो मजेदार. हिरवा हिरवा पेरू लागतो मजेदार. लाल मिरची खातो, लाल मिरची खातो जरी असते तिखट. मी आहे पोपट, हो मी आहे पोपट. दूर रानामध्ये आम्हा येत नाही जाता. पिंजरा हेच झाले आज आमचे पोपट. मी आहे पोपट, हो मी आहे पोपट.
Today, I stand here as a proud and grateful teacher to express my heartfelt thanks to all of you present here, who has made this and thanks to everyone who has made this event possible. I would like to start by thanking our school management, our class management, who has always been supportive to our initiative and encouraged us to strive for excellence. Thank you so much for being present. Please let us know how the annual day function was, and if you have anything